Yes, if it's on the same side, it's the same number. Think about it as this line, this whole line is getting cut in half. So one more time, I just want to say it. Up here, from here to here, from the inside to the outside, you double. And the reverse, if you go from outside to inside, you cut it half. From here to here, when you have one whole line getting cut into two pieces, well, that means you cut it in half. So that means it's going to be, or I'm sorry, the two pieces are cut in half, which means they're equal to each other. So this is 12, this is also 12. Over here,
Why are they each 12?
because the Y is in the middle. And if it's in the middle, the two pieces must be equal. That makes sense,
What
Ike?
does Y do with anything?
Y being in the middle of the line?
Oh, but wait, WX, what does that mean?
No, WY, did I type W?
No, it's what says on top. WX.
My bad, it should say WY. My
Okay,
fault.
so WY is median, makes sense.
Yeah, so because it's in the middle, these two lines pieces must be the same.
Wait,
Go ahead.
because that's in the middle, which two should be the same?
For number 2, X and 12 should be the same because I'm cutting that line in half.
I'm saying Y.
What about Y? Y the letter or Y
No,
is happens?
Why should they be 12?
They should be 12 because the letter Y is in the middle. And if you're in the middle, what do you know about the two pieces?
So is, and the letter Y is in the middle on, oh, you're saying it's in between X and 12?
You could think of it as in between R and S, which yeah, is 12
You
and
can
12.
say that, okay, in one, it's in between Q and S.
Yeah, but the key part here is though, this is the median side. This is the actual side. So you double that. While over here, let's look at the last one. You're starting at the doubled side. So if you know,
Wait, can I guess? 11.
yeah,
Okay, I got that. 60% because, no, I said 70% because of pure skill and 30% because the other two was double the same. So this one has to be half.
yes, but you gotta remember, you don't want to think of it like that on the test.
No,
You need to know
yeah,
why,
no,
yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's why I said it was 70% skill.
Mhm. Okay, make it 100% skill, okay?
Okay, can you give me like a few other ones?
First, I'm gonna go through all these, finish recording, and then I'm happy to make up random problems for you, okay?
You're making a video?
I'm recording a video right now, so then I can just post this later. Is that-
Okay, all right, so then I'll rewatch it.
No problem. Now these, but also pay attention now so you can ask your questions. These on the second page, you're gonna get what we call perpendicular bisectors. Now, when it comes to perpendicular bisectors, there's no thinking involved. They will always be equal. No thinking, no strategy, no half, no double, no nothing.
What will other people?
In the second page, these are perpendicular bisectors. Yeah.
So then what? Find X?
So for this one,
Oh, so then X would be 53.
no, not 90. It's the
No.
side. So in this case, or 45, it's the side that is equal to, because we're talking about the side here. So it's 12 equals X minus 8. X should equal 20 in that case.
How does 12 equal?
I'll be here.
X? So then the other one would be 16 equals 2X? Or?
Yes, I just want to make sure. Number 4, they're going to match the
All right,
sides.
Okay, so 4.
Over here, this is going to match, so it's going to be
8.
good.
Then the other one.
X is going to be
Then the
8.
other one would be 248.
Let's see. This is supposed to be 25. What is this number?
So then it'd be 15 then.
Let's just make this 25.
So it'd be 15. It'd be 15.
Good. So
That's-
if this is 25 and this is X plus 10,
I feel why are you giving this? This is like first grade math, I feel.
yeah, but you need to know the relationships because otherwise you always set it equal. This page is simple, easy though.
All right.
Now let's say this is what I think is the hardest one. Yes,
Yo, Mr. T, when's the test?
tomorrow. Go ahead.
Am I taking that remote?
Say that one more time.
Am I taking that remote?
I'm sorry. I'm first Eliana, then Jacob. Go ahead.
Are you gonna add like a random number like 45? Does it like go with it?
45 kind of has to be there to show that it's getting cut in half.
I think
but-
for sure.
but yeah.
They sent out a thing to take a survey for if you'd rather school and like the time it does now or later. Like why would anyone rather?
Maybe you got an extra. What do you Would you leave school 20 minutes later, but you got a period in the middle,
But it's
like
An
a,
hour later.
like hug, let's say.
That's not what they did though.
I think it's an.
I know, but I'm just asking, like, would you take,
But
that's an
they
interesting
did it,
question.
Like in general, like what?
Well, they wanna
Obviously,
just
everyone's
make
gonna
you-
answer the same thing.
Yeah, they're not gonna make you leave later without giving you something. So you gotta think of it like, would you leave an hour later, but you got a hug every third period versus?
No, no way.
Also,
Zero.
I think like,
It's no. it's
also
just
the way
zero.
they sent it out was so stupid.
First of all, I know I already had to go back and grab a bag, but I didn't go then. Can I quickly like sprint to the bathroom now? I'll leave my phone, AirPods, everything.
Bro, man, I'm just going over this, so it's you losing out if you do that. So let's do the next one.
There's gonna be a video and I already know the first.
Go on, man. No, it's up to you, man.
Yeah, and I'll be back.
You don't have to tell me. Let's go show up. So this one, this is the tough one because their relationships are a little weird. QM is going to be half the size of QA. Once again, QM is going to be half the size as QA. Another way to think about it, from the middle to the side, you see how this hits the side? Is going to be half the size as the middle to the corner. The middle to the side is going to be half the size in the middle to the corner.
So AQ is 16,
Good. So AQ, which should be double QM.
and then AM is 24.
And then if this one's 16 and this one's 8, terrific. All over should be 24. Okay. So remember, from the side, it's half of the corner version. So I gave you this one. I gave you the small one first. This one, LC is 30. Now let me zoom this out so everyone can see this at once. That's
Mr.
my-
Tobel,
Yo, what's up, man? I'm sorry,
can
you
you
did have a
please
question.
post a YouTube video on how to do all this?
I'm literally recording this and then I'll just post it right after. So it's the same thing.
No, but can you like make a video explaining everything in depth? Because like,
I'm literally am explaining it, that bro.
Mr. Total, we're in the vlog right now.
You're in the vlog right now. You're in the
Crazy.
video.
That's crazy.
but
No, you're in here.
Mr. Tobel, I'm taking it on remote tomorrow, right?
You're taking a remote? Are you COVID quarantined?
What?
Are you quarantined because of COVID?
I mean, yeah. Otherwise, I'd be in school.
All right, you'll be taking
Back to the 6th. And then my Hebrew teacher
I
was
want
telling
to
me,
take it when I get back.
my Hebrew teacher told me I should get vaccinated 9 more times, and then I should spend $1,000 to buy an at-home test.
Hey, keep in mind you're being recorded, so it'll be posted later. So don't say
Oh,
anything
my bad.
you regret. All
I
right.
hope she hears me out there. Miss Nib, that's to you.
So LC, the whole thing. Notice this case. I have the whole line equals 30.
Mr. Tobel,
Yeah, what's up, man?
I find what Jacob said to be extremely disrespectful.
Okay.
Then come fight me, Gabi. Get off Red Dead Redemption and come fight me.
Whoa, dude. Whoa.
Wait,
whoa.
so-
calm down.
so
Calm down.
QC has to be bigger than LQ.
Okay. So you're in the right price. LQ has to be the small side because it goes to the side of the thing, while QC is the bigger because it goes to the corner. Also, literally looks like it. So
So
there
can
should
you
be no
do
question.
20?
there.
Can you do 20 and 10?
Excellent. Since you know that they have to be double and it has to fit, you need to figure out the number that splits this evenly into 3 pieces. So LQ have to be the smallest piece, which is 10. And then QC is the biggest piece, 20. It has to be doubled and it has to add to 30. So you got to solve both at the same time. Good job, Johnny. And then the last one, BQ is 22. BQ is 22. So in this one, they're giving us BQ. So from the middle to the corner, which means
Mr.
they're giving
Tobel,
us
I just
the
got a picture
bigger
of
number.
Gabi. He's clearly playing games.
Dude, be quiet, man. Like you're getting recorded and I'm just trying to like post this for your help.
I'm sorry, Mr. Tobel.
That's fine, man. So BQ in this case, the longer side is 22. Which means the shorter side has to be half the size. So what's QN? QN should be 11. And then the whole line together, BN, should be 22 plus
33.
11, 33. So QN's 11. and NB is 33. This is technically a test. Let's see, can I make this like that? That's a little
Wait,
small.
is tomorrow a quiz or a test?
It is a test,
Alright,
but it's literally this big. So you could finish it within 3 minutes. Yeah,
Wait, how many questions is it? Just 3?
literally these questions, just with different numbers.
All right, so can we do another one after?
What do you mean another one? Run it back, you're saying?
Yeah, just one more.
All right, I'm gonna stop recording.